We're going to have cases. I think we need to manage those cases. We're trying to be aggressive with the contact tracing in that population.
COVID-19 cases at schools are causing concern for students and parents. This week, ECU reported a COVID cluster in a student dorm. Pitt County Schools reported a student testing positive for COVID-19 at Ayden Elementary School. The county health director says these cases should not stop the education process.
Education has to go on. One of the biggest social determinants of health, whether this is our K through 12 schools or our universities, is education. And I don't think we should deprive or delay anybody's education at this point.
Silvernail is working closely with both institutions to monitor infected students and do contact tracing.
Yesterday I prepared some written guidance for the school nurses to help with sorting out exposures and when to quarantine and when to test and those sorts of things for classrooms. So we're working very closely with Dr. Lenker and his team at Pitt County Schools.
The Ayden student with COVID-19 is currently at home in isolation.
We know that social distancing was maintained in the classroom and that masking was maintained in the classroom. So we opted not to. We consider that a low-risk exposure. And we opted to advise the parents, but to not send the other children home in that setting.
Silvernail expects more COVID cases this school year. He says a big concern is after-school care.
After school, many children from different schools do go to the same after-school program. So that is a weakness in the system.
The county is working with child care centers to make sure they're following state guidance. Dr. Silvernail encourages parents to keep students home from school if they're sick. In Greenville, Amber Joseph, 9 on your side.